How to download Tinder on Android. Ready to dive into the world of swipes, matches, and chats? Here's how to download and install the Tinder on your Android device step by step. Now locate and tap the Play Store icon on your Android home screen. Now tap on search. Now here in the top search bar, type Tinder, then hit search. As you can see, the Tinder app does not work for this device. It says it right here. So sadly, in my device it's not working, but in your case it will be shown. And just go ahead and tap install to download the app. Now once it's downloaded, tap the open button and you can log in if you have already created an account. And that's all. Tinder will then be installed on your device and ready for swiping. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any other videos. Thank you for watching.